짱이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임 게임 스타트. 아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트 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 아파트
It's whatever you like. Turn this apateu into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come back, go, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
아파트 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 Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
아파트 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 Just meet me at the 아파트 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 아파트
just meet me at the
아파트 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 아파트
just meet me at the
아파트 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 아파트
Hi everyone, today's dance is called APT. It's a 64 count 4-wall phrase improver level line dance. It has part A and part B. Okay, let me mention the pair one. First, let's start with the part A, section 1. Move to the right, right foot, side. Together, side. Touch to left, side. Together, side. Touch. Okay, one more time. Side, right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second section, you start with the right foot to the rocking chair. Front, center, back, center. And after this one, we're gonna do some hip bump and shoulder pump. So first, have a right foot stay together. At the same time, you bump your hip to the right and also right shoulder down. And then hold for one count. And after this one, single belly count with the hip bump and shoulder pump. Do the left, right, left. Okay, let's do this section with count. So after your first section, side, together, side. Touch, stop the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the third section, move to the right, side, together, side, touch, side, together, side, touch. It's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the final section for part A, you start with the right foot to rocking chair, drop, 3, bounce, 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 middle quarter turn left. Okay, one more time, let's cut. Start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's do pump beat. So first session for pump beat, we're gonna do slow last step to the corner. So first move to the right corner, right foot, step, last step, brush, left corner, step, last step, brush. Okay, this session was cut. Start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second session, you start with the right foot, do the chest pass with the cross, cross, back, side, cross. And after this one, three more moving to the right side. So first move to the right foot to the side, also have swivel your heels, toes, heels, and hold for one time. Okay, the session is cut. So after your first session, last step, you start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third session, you start with the left foot to the scissor step with the whole cut. So left foot, side, together, cross, hold, and one more, side, together, cross, hold. Okay, do this session is cut. So after your chest pass and swivel, 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 hold, and start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the final session, first you have a left foot big step to the side, and then you start doing your slow sideways body roll, and turn your right foot. And after this one, we're gonna do slow pivot heel turn left with a shimmy. So have the right foot step forward, you shimmy your shoulders, and then with a heel turn left, put your weight on your left foot, also shimmy your shoulder. Right now you're facing your sixth cartwheel. Okay, let's do this section with cut. So after you choose six cut, and then start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's put everything together for pump beat. So start with the right foot corner, step, last step, brush left corner, step, last step, brush left foot, just pass, back, side, quad, swivel, heels, toes, heels, hold, and left foot scissor, cross, hold, scissor, cross, hold, big step, side, and then sideways body roll, and then slow pivot heel turn left. So step, shimmy, and heel turn, shimmy. Okay, let's do one more time, let's cut. So you start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for this dance, we have a short A with extension. Short A will start from your 9 o'clock walk. You do all the way to the first queer come to the first rocking chair, and then you don't do the shoulder and hip up. You change to the pivot heel turn and pivot quarter turn left. So let me do this together. So start with the right foot to the right side. Together, side, touch, side. Together, side,